me cool, I go love this, you know.
Young nigga Rich the Don. Yeah.
Every man say make you come along. Go feel your suntan in the summer sun.
I'm carrying a video for that.
You might make a video, I know.
That's class. So I'm gonna go make a video, man, and post it up on YouTube or something.
Check.
See me? You know fi shine, girl, bring it
right
down.
now.
If you want a fool,
So
man, give
bitch,
it
you see me
on.
right now, nigga chilling, young rich and down, you feel me? Dice, popping. So bitch, you there chilling right now. See what's really good, you know what I mean? School girl, little break and we just there go on and see what's popping, you feel me? See what's up with them girls. You already know, man, bitch. Our place they were always there, so I don't know nothing new, you know what I mean? Everyday thing this, you know what I mean? But we just go and say, fuck it, but that's all make a roll, you know what I mean? But we're there for Collins right now, but we up on Ocean. See what's up, you know what I mean? Let you know what it is, you feel me?
Yeah, nigga.
305 TV, what it is though.
Collins off, it's your boy Dice B-A-T-G-E, check me.
Rolling through the streets, you know what I mean? Day in the life of fucking young Rich the Don and Dice, you hear me? Cruising, man, beach, episode 1. Just cruising through, see what's up, checking the view, you know what I mean? We ain't pulling the big boys out today. We're just rolling simple, you know what I mean? It is what it is, guys. It was not planting, we just say, oh, fuck it. You know what I mean? By the way, we got Blueberry on deck. You know what I mean?
Blueberry on deck.
You already know. Check. Show them the scene over there.
Collins Ave, nigga. Miami Beach doing it big, nigga.
Listen, no bleach, you know, right? I know I'm gonna say, you know.
Check.
Gonna say.
Destiny.
Gonna say, you see me?
She's our destiny. All the beautiful ladies out here come out to play.
Says our destiny. Says our destiny.
Rastaman.
Says our destiny. She says our destiny. She get next to me.
You know what I mean? Right now, we just find a parking, and then we just come out and walk for a little bit. You see me?
Yeah.
See what's up in the streets. You already know. You hear me?
Like a gypsy. One more shot and she get tipsy. She have the itsy.
You really itsy.
Settle down on me, baby. You know, she say you are driving me crazy. The way you whine, you amaze me. You know, take a bag of man like me.
See me, niggas who know so really in them streets, you feel me, like no flash shit. Niggas just stop all this shit, you feel me, like, you know, I live in Miami, so I'm good, you feel me, like, I'm good with the Sac Passes, the Zoes, the Asians, you feel me, the VIs them, you know what I mean, the Trinidad, you know what I mean, the Americans them, the Chicos them, you feel me, so I'm good in them streets, you feel me, I can do what the fuck I want, you know what I mean?
Legal
but
everywhere.
Fuck the police, you feel me, because they already know, them niggas down here, quick to busting at a nigga, you feel me, so, if we just go and lay low, cause we're not gonna light up the load, cause I would say we have Blueberry on deck, that's sour, so you already know what it is, you feel me, we're not gonna load up the place right now, you feel me, you already know, but over there, mangoes they sick, watch out yourself, you know what I mean, like,
man.
show them mangoes girl, you feel me, like, you know what I mean,
Bitches for days all over the place.
you know what I mean, you already know, let's try to find a parking space, you see me, and then, let's just see what's,
Survivor, I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Survivor, I'm a survivor. When my enemies surround me, don't check them out the bed. Them know which part you find me. I am like a flame. No one know them what we do.
Big boss Miami, you know what I mean? Yes.
God is my provider.
So still on the fucking bus right here. So she young and she down on that fucking bus right there. You know what I mean?
Like a fire. Show no sympathy. Oh no. I'll be way up on the mountain. On the mountain. And they come for me. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I'm a survivor. Survivor. I'm a for the weak. No surrender, no retreat. I'll make you remember me. For those who want to kill me, know exactly where to find me. Down in the concrete, jump out the please don't kill me. 100 miles and running out, artillery looks stunning. M16, 'cause I'm a survivor. Survivor, I'm a survivor. Oh, 'cause I'm a survivor. Survivor, I'm a survivor. Oh, I'm so high up on the mountain, can't find no way back down. Watch me flow just like a fountain, solid as the ground. Once you go up, then I'm nothing go down. Revolution time, revolution so we do this. I did dark and it all, we get this. I did dark and it all. All who want to kill me, tell them me they're zero. 'Cause I'm a champion, I'm a hero. 'Cause I'm a survivor. Survivor, I'm a survivor. Oh, 'cause I'm a survivor. Survivor, I'm a survivor.
Talking is a motherfucker.
So you already know the beach are mad thing. You can't find a park in it.
You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. I was born in the street, I'm a fighter. I was born as a survivor. Hear my song, hear me again. I'm a fly again. And even when they try to break me, thank God I'm doing greatly. Hear my song, hear me again. Oh, I'ma grow my wings again. I'ma fly again. Don't know how, don't know when. I'ma grow my wings again. I'ma fly again. Don't know how, don't know when. I'ma fly again. Street, love me daily. They can't see me, but I know they hear me. They can't touch me, know they feel it. Flow so magical like the feeling. I'm the one. Believe in yourself. Don't let vanity make you deceive in yourself. Me could have never change, but some boy make the devil stick them up.
And the adventure begins.
Alright, we on the car now. Chilling, walking, trying to find a black. You already know, you know what I mean? Every time I come to the beach, niggas always be like, yo, you know what I mean? I know you got that good. But, you know what I mean? We just chilling right now. We ain't really doing shit, you know what I mean? But we always trying to do, you know what I mean? You see what's up? Trying to find a black league. Fuck with a nigga. You know what I mean? Rolling through. We the streets. You feel me? They one of this motherfucking blood. You already know what the fuck. Chilling. Just rolling through, see what's popping. You know what I mean? Some niggas can't do this, you feel me? Some niggas just, yeah, I mean, some niggas just.
It's a real nigga shit, nigga.
See, you know, we sober, you know what I mean? See, we just rolling with me and Dice. Ain't no bunch of niggas or nothing like that.
You know
We
what I'm
just rolling through, see what's up. You feel me? Like, you know what I mean?
Just a casual day.
You already know. You already know what it is.
One
man.
time for the one time, like
You
them man
feel
saying.
me? Shout out VI, you see me?
VI.
Shout out the whole Kingston, Jamaica.
Nah, I'm
The whole
saying.
305, them IA, yo, you feel me? Like,
VI to JA, motherfuckers.
oh yeah, but forget the black though, I forgot. Oh, I should have. We'll soon cross. You know, we just get them a little cereal, you know what I mean? The little hotels, you know what I mean? This is Collins, who don't know, you feel me? Like Collins is a strip, we'll have all of the hotels basically, you feel me? Then Ocean is to the right, where the beach is, you know what I mean? And the restaurants and shit like that, you know what I mean? Then Washington, no, that's where the corner stores, you know what I mean? And the clothes stores and the, you know what I mean? The pizza places, you know what I mean? The pizza out them and all that shit, you know what I mean? So So who would ever know Miami? That's what it is. You feel me? Washington is the pizza place and all that. Collins is the hotels, you know what I mean? And the studios and the shit. And Ocean is the beach. You feel me?
Drug money bill this motherfucker.
Yeah, alright, that's what it is. You already know. Miami, you know what I mean? Shout out the Cocaine Cowboys.
Know
If it wasn't for y'all, then Miami wouldn't be the fuck how it is right now. You feel me? Like, any type of buildings you see, that's drug money, people.
You know what I'm saying?
So, just look around you, so you know how much billions of fucking drugs there
Whole
is.
fucking
Niggas is slanging
city.
this shit. You feel me? Go across right now. You know what I mean? Collins. No, yeah, we're going to Washington right now. See what it is. You know what I mean? Scare the boys. No. See the fan. Check the Phantom. Niggas on the
Phantom.
let me show them the Phantom real quick. That nigga, this is fucking bad, nigga. I show them the fucking Phantom, like, you know what I mean?
Regular scenery.
Regular scenery, nigga. Alright, we'll just walk that way. You know what I mean? Nigga, this is the Phantom fool. Like, let niggas know what it is.
You know what I mean?
This motherfucker, you see how big this shit is to a nigga.
It's fuck deep.
See me? Check the Phantom. You know what I mean? Like, what it is, like, you don't know what preview come. Get him from the top. Get him from the fucking top.
Gas.
Get him the front. Get him the grill. You feel me?
If you ain't got a grill,
You feel me?
ain't the real thing.
Like show niggas the fucking grill. You feel me? Like, you know what I mean? Show
dick.
niggas the grill. Alright, show them the side. Show niggas the side. Look how big that motherfucker is. You see me? You see how big it is?
Yeah, man.
This is Miami Beach for y'all, you know what I mean? This is the Phantom right here. You feel me? Go to the rims, they ain't stock on stock, you know what I mean? Check the back, you think it's a joke? Alright, we're not gonna show the license plate, you know what I mean? Don't show the license plate. Alright, look at this shit.
Fuck,
now.
it's the real
Move
old
it on.
school.
This is the pink shit, South Beach. Only in South Beach.
Old
you'll find
school,
it.
man, of
You know what I mean? You already know. You know what I mean? This is where I recorded one time. This is where Weezy. Shout out to Weezy. You already know.
Already.
YMCMB. You feel me?
For sure.
This is where him did shoot the video. I think it was Da 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 or some off the Rock album. You feel me? On top of this shit. You feel me? That's where we was. Shout out to Dryco, music teacher. You see me? If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even get to that Weezy up like this. Saying, yo, hold your head up. That was before the nigga got locked up. You know what I mean? That was the first nigga that was saying free Weezy. You know what I mean? Alright, walk with me, blood.
One time.
Check this shit now. What the fuck this is? This is Ford, you know what I mean? Look on the jet from the
Old
front,
school.
That, shit, you feel me?
That grease shit, nigga.
Check that red and white shit. You feel me? Like, that's Mario for you. You know what I mean? Move it on. But fuck now, fuck that. You know what I mean? Walking through. Shit, I got a whole bunch of footage. I'm gonna put this shit up, nigga. You know what I mean? Reverb Nation, I'm about to reach number one. You feel me? Niggas see what's up. We still trying to get that black though, but that was the Phantom for y'all. Y'all gonna see a whole bunch of flyaways.
You know what I mean?
Like, it is what it
That
is.
real shit.
You know what I mean? We ain't showing y'all what the fuck we driving because you already
You know
know.
what I'm saying?
We in the streets, you feel me? And we don't know who the fuck gonna watch this.
You know what I'm saying?
So we can't really, you know what I mean?
No license plate, no
Yeah,
ID.
yeah.
Fuck that.
You know what I mean? You feel me? Like, it's a little Benz, like day to day, show them Benz, like, this is a little something, like,
Yeah.
that ain't nothing really. You know what I mean? That's the corner store whip. To go to the corner store.
That's how they living out here. That's how they
You know what I
living.
mean? This is Miami, folks, like, you know what I mean? The home of the yayo, you feel me?
Yeah.
You already know. And we just, you know what I mean, chilling Young Rich the Don, you know what I mean, on the block. See what it is. You feel me?
One time.
Yeah, that is what it is. You know what I mean? ACM, what it is. You know what I mean? BT the block can't be Kingston Mafia Club. But that's what it is. Met that walk roller. Look on that side. So we still try to get the fucking black. You dig? And this the back of club Galshans. This is me mansions, I'm saying, but you don't know what's a Galshans.
Yeah.
You already know. You feel me? But that's the back of the club. You know what I mean? That's where the real VIP, you know, we're not really take the front, you feel me? Just take the next exit, you see me? You already know. You don't want everybody to see me and more while, you know what I mean? With things away, you feel me? Plus we got them on deck, you feel me?
One time.
You know what I mean?
Believe
the bag of searches.
Always on deck.
You already know. So that's why right now we just walking, don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? You already know.
It's a
Still trying to get the black.
call this shit the preview of the future, motherfucker.
You know what I mean? The future of the motherfucking future. You feel me? Like, Young Rich and
One
Don.
time.
You know what I mean? Guys. You feel
Major.
me? You already
Up in
know.
this motherfucker.
Yeah. This is vlog 1, you feel me? Like, we finna do this for the whole. We probably did this like a couple of times for the break before school start back, you know what I mean? Back of that fuck shit.
It's that Christmas in Miami shit.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
2011.
You know what I mean? Tomorrow for to get fly, we just, you know, I tell you, it wasn't really a plan shit. You feel me? It's just bam, bam, boom. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
What's up, 13? See the car, the place is starting to let me go, that shit. After that, after I pass 13, then cameos, and then, you know what I mean, the shit get boring.
Yeah.
But, you know, when you walk back this way, then you have, you know what I mean, you have girl chance, sober, you know what I mean, all of that shit, you know what I mean, jazzy, all of that shit, you know what I mean. Reggae night, Sunday night, jazzy, you feel me, South Beach, you feel me. But, yeah, as I said, it's a bag of pizza place here, you feel me? You see me?
Pizzas were running the road.
This shit good though, I fuck with it. But shout out to all of my niggas them on the block, you see me? You don't know.
Of course.
Blinger, totally, you know what I mean? My brother play too. You see me, I say? You already know what it is. The whole border, come on, you see me? The whole of my niggas them. Slow mo, Prince, you feel me? Lay what it is though, you know what I mean? Yeah, chilling on the block. You know what I mean? Rest of my niggas, what's up? You feel me? Smoothie shop, when you're saying you get no smoothie, fuck that, y'all already know
Fuck that. We need a black and bitches.
And then we just walk to the beach.
The two
Spark
B's.
up, you know what I mean?
The
Spark
black
up.
and the bitches.
You feel great there? Cigarette. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we on the fucking beach, you know how we to do it.
Ain't shit.
Dice, Rich the Don.
Y'all already know what it is, you know what I mean? Fucking around. You know what I mean? We'd have to cut the fucking footage because of that fucking nigga in the store like if I sell drugs into that motherfucker, I fuck up that place, you know what I mean? But it ain't what it is, you feel me? We ain't finna violate this shit like that, you know what I mean? Let's go chill South Beach, you know what I mean? You good, you? Looking good though, let me tell you that. Beautiful, you hear me? Yeah. So you already know, getting that Miami love. You feel me? The California love over setting MIA love over here.
Bitches just need love, man.
You feel me? That's what I did for. You know, shorty got a fat ass too, so.
Yeah, she got it.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Y'all niggas know we in bullshit. We show y'all walking from Washington to Collins. Show the Phantoms, you know what I mean? You know, we show you the beach. Y'all ready to see, you know what I mean? Alright, if you want, we can walk close to the beach, you feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
Towards the front, you know what I mean? This is PG-18. Because might see some titties and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? It might see some bitches running wild, naked and shit, so we don't want to go, you know what I mean, for the kids and shit. We just let y'all know. So like, another day, another nice day in Miami. You know what I mean? South Beach. You know what I mean? If I had to use a problem, I'd see them over there or some shit. Or so, actually, because I was down here like last week. But it wasn't for that long though, you feel me? But we always here though, you know what I mean? Our place, you feel me? Like,
You know what I mean?
backyard thing. You feel me? A lot of
Take
people,
over anywhere we step.
a lot of people are going to see the camera and try to hide their face because they don't want to be on the camera and shit. But, you know, by somehow when they recognize who the fuck a nigga is, they don't want to be the camera.
You know what I mean?
It's not about them, it's about us. You know? That's some Chinese out here. Asian, whatever the fuck they do. So we get closer to the beach. Now I go all over. I mean, for the while we can walk to the water.
We're gonna walk to the water. We're going to the
You
water.
can see what the fuck is in the water, because the last time I came here, actually, I be here fucking, what do you call it there? Jellyfish. Imagine, like a million jellyfish that like, ain't nobody was fucking swimming. I was the only black nigga in that motherfucker. You know what I mean? A home girl. And it's like, after I dodged the fucking, you know what I mean, jellyfish and shit. And it's because you know what I mean, the fucking little storm or hurricane, whatever they say was coming. So. take y'all niggas to the beach, like fucking my shoes up and shit, but I don't give a fuck.
Just for the fans, you know?
Yeah, shit. I love y'all, you feel me? I fuck with y'all. Y'all fuck with me, so I fuck with y'all. See? Y'all gonna fuck with me.
South Beach.
We ain't even trying to go in, like,
Niggas got kicks and shit.
like everybody has to be on the beach, what it is.
Right.
I showed them all that shit look good. I had my shot in the country.
You know what I mean?
Nigga, that shit right now. So that's no, basketball shot. Some restaurants, and when you come to South Beach, you can fuck with restaurants. Nice looking waiters and shit, you feel me? You know what I mean? Cuties. You already know. What one is right there? Look at that thick one right there, man. Cuties looking hot. But yeah, you know, Wet Willie's right there. The famous Wet Willie's, South Beach, Miami. You know what I mean? We get the car, the cab, and all of that shit. You know? Sex on the beach and all of that. Look at them girl, oh my God.
Beautiful.
So that though, like, you know what I mean? She was a dime though. I'd put a lie, like I don't really say bitches as dimes, but
Yeah, she was a real thing.
dime though, like real. So Wet Willie's that now. You know what I mean? Show me Wet Willie's. You know what I mean? Famous Wet Willie's shit. You know what I mean?
Stand up right at the top.
It's kind of dead now. All the shit we, you know what I mean? The Wet Willie's dead. Not really popping this up. But still here. Feel me? Yeah, I already know.
Chinese is what running the routes right now.
She's a nice looking Chinese, like whatever the fuck she is. You know what I mean? It's Chinese, Japanese.
Whoever the
All I know
fuck she is, she fine.
Like she bad though.
All I know is she could cook and she bad like fuck.
She. Set them on the car. Let them to the side. To the Ocean and the Cape.
Ocean Drive.
You know what I mean?
8th Street.
Where is y'all niggas at? You feel me? Where the fuck is y'all
I don't
niggas
see y'all
at?
niggas around here.
I don't see none of that shit.
All I see is bitches.
You see me? I done seen all
Nah,
that.
man.
Beautiful girls.
Bad bitches.
What's up, baby? Fuck with Spanish little chica though. You know what I mean? Chill in the corner, you know what I mean? Everyday life. You feel me? Young rich and down in the motherfucking business though, you need. Fuck with a nigga. You know what I mean? This how we do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You know what I mean? In the middle of fucking ocean. You know what I mean? What it is. You know what I mean?
We gotta go down there. You see that bitch in the block?
You know what I mean?
Moving.
Yeah,
Movements.
moving. Famous Wet Willie, you see? Moving. Moving out around my past ground and shit.
Wet Willis. Wow, you see that ass on there, the pink? Damn.
I'm looking good out. Sunglass
Nadamos sin brazos y hay que nadar. Miramos sin ojos y hay que
We about to see some ass on our way, girl. Real thing. You know what I mean? Happy hour is every hour.
Style like cafe. That sexy thick girl it was with that fat ass.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? And then
This
bitch
one right
now,
here.
with the pink and all that. Like,
The ass, you see the ass dog? I feel like walking back that way.
I'm going to because nothing of them on that side, you see me? We just show them a little bit of the MIA strip. So like after this, then the rest of the strip done. And you have to sit on that side. You know what I mean? This is fucking TGIF. You know what I mean? And all of that. You know what I mean? That bitch, oh my gosh, like.
See some real thing now. This is what Ocean Drive have to offer my neighbors.
We're just chilling to the last part, like blue eyes and laughing.
So that I'm like 10. So it's like
What's up? Chilling, I'm just vlogging, you know what I mean? Walking through the street, letting them know what's up, you know what I mean? Everything good?
Set that up.
We had to take a break, intermission, because, you know what I mean?
Know what I'm saying?
Certain difficulties, but you already know we're back.
You're coming back for this girl and
you already know, fuck with a nigga. You
see
fat
that
ass
ass
out there. You see me, fuck with a nigga though.
Yeah, man.
MIA, you in the street. Fuck them niggas. You don't see them. I don't see them niggas. I don't see them niggas. It's so like, let me tell you, I'm beautiful, you're hot, you hear me? Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's like, damn, I need to learn me some Spanish, yo. Like, oh, yo, which was handsome. Oh my God. Did y'all see that though?
Yeah,
okay, I'm just checking. You know what I mean? Like they must be confusing or some shit. I love swag. Swag on point, 100. You know what I mean? But right now, alright, one park off.
You walk on that road there?
Yeah. You feel me? Alright, you know? So you already know how it is. Y'all get down making money in the streets, trapping, you already know. You feel me? Had to block out a couple of times because taking care of something. You already know, you know what I mean? Let them know what's up though, like the blueberry on deck, you feel me? Like, you feel, like, you know what I mean? This
product is about.
Like, yo, Dice already see what it is with me. We say, yo, what that's like a walk from the beach, that's a plan shit. But look at niggas just hollering, bitches hollering, like, you know what I mean? Want to get right, you feel me?
Yeah.
Like, and who is the right nigga to check?
Rich.
You know what I mean? Who to check? Rich. You know what I mean? But yeah, females still looking good and shit.
Telling you.
Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, so we back in Armand Exchange now. We're back in Collins for a little bit. You know what I mean? Then finna hit back Ocean again because you already see where it's popping. Wet Willis. You see them. You see the one. Oh my. Like she. Oh my. Like
what?
She took the fucking
kick.
That's
like, the kick of the day.
Oh my gosh.
Her ass is the icing.
A bitch was looking bad, dude. Like, you know what I mean? Alright, we on fucking Armor. Yeah. You know what I mean? That shit was. Oh, yo, you see that? Oh my, that camel toe. Yo, that shit was crazy. And the thing is, people. I don't really trip on girls like that because, you know what I mean? You already know. We know a bunch of bad females, you know what I mean? We talk to bad girls, you feel me? And this is Miami, you know what I mean? Where you have all different type of girls all over the world.
But when you see an ass,
yeah, when
that
you see
needs,
like proper, like,
you know what I mean?
From the front, from the back, you're seeing that shit, like.
Especially on a white girl.
On a white girl. What? White girl, look like she from Russia or something. White girl, she tall too, like. Yeah. So you already know. So that's what it is. Like that's just a day in the life of me and that beautiful ladies walking. Look at this one, nice smile. I see that, okay. You know what I mean, and all of that. You feel me? Chilling in there. I know that one with the school though, like yeah. You feel me? Well, but I don't know her like that.
School get bad bitches too.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
She go to AI, but you know, she kind of probably recognized a nigga, but that's why she was like. But I'm calling her out. I don't know her name, but it is what it is. But y'all seen the little Brazilians, the white girls, the black girls, show you the Phantom, show you the hotels. You know what I mean? After that, fuck it, if you really want, I'll show y'all niggas the blueberry. I'm gonna show niggas a blueberry though, like, you know what I mean? When I head in the car, I'm gonna show niggas a blueberry though. I ain't gonna show which car not like that, cause y'all already know, but yeah, you know what I mean? But you're getting closer to it, and it's kinda hard to pull these out, you know? You know what I mean? Gotta pop the chunk real quick. But it's worth it, you feel me?
Yeah,
Nigga on that 5-0 though, like
niggas going to work.
Nigga that blueberry, niggas like, oh shit, yo, what? Especially you waiting for your food.
Yeah.
Oh my, when you know when your belly full, you just want, you feel
Go
me?
home
like,
and spark up.
You feel me? And that's the best thing right now on deck. You know what I mean?
Telling you.
Female store over there where you always got that bitches shopping and shit. You know what I mean? Sun Station. I don't really shop at them fucking places because I ain't no tourist. You know? It's a tourist spot. Like I live there. You feel me? Don't know Kingston, Jamaica, born and raised still, you see me? Representing to the fullest, but you know what I mean? I've been living here years, you feel me, over 8 years, so it's my second home, really.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? And the nigga in the streets, niggas fuck with me. You know what I mean? Bitches fuck with me. You know what I mean? The streets fuck with me, you know what I mean? So I do what the fuck I want, you feel me? Most of the times a lot of niggas talk, they in Miami. Them probably show like 1 minute they on the corner, you know what I mean? That's it. Tell them to walk, tell them to show the strip, tell them to show the stores, tell them to lame this over there. Niggas act like they from Miami or they in Miami. Like I let you know where everything is, where the pizza, everything is, you feel me?
Yeah.
I show you the beach, I walk to the fucking beach itself. You know what I mean? Niggas don't do that shit, you know what I mean? Bitches looking at me because they recognize the nigga from Facebook and YouTube and all that, you know what I mean? I'll be being World Star soon. You already know. Getting my videos out there right now. You know what I mean? This is a little vlog for the streets. You know what I mean? Little niggas know what it is. You feel me? Like, you know what I mean?